Hello there, welcome back to a new video. So I'm installing this push button switch to unlock the trunk of this 2006 Ford Mustang. So I go to AutoZone and purchase it for $8. It's a regular push button switch. I want to show you guys what it look like. Here's the package it comes in, but some of the letters tears off. You can see right there. So I want to show you guys what I do. So right here under the dash with the steering wheel hut, there's this white wire with a purple stripe on it. You want to look for this is a hot wire. So I'm going to connect one end of this wire from the switch to this one right here, and also the other wire. There's a pink wire over the panel right here. On the passenger side there's a pink wire. That's the only pink wire, comes from all the way to the trunk. I'm going to show you guys the one on the trunk. So this is the pink wire right here. It's a bit bright, I'm in the sun, but it's a pink wire with the orange stripe on it. Go to the lock release right here. So this coil right here for the trunk to open it, and the key won't work. So you have to run this wire right here, wire straight all the way from the passenger side, come to the switch. I'm gonna connect it right here, get it to work. So if I connect this right here just like this and press the button, you'll hear it make sound. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's making sound. So that's how it works. You cannot use a regular on and off switch like this because it will burn the circuit. You cannot use anything like this switch. You have to use a push button switch like this one. When I press it, it opens and closes back at the same time. So if this video helped you guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.